So, you want to learn a language, but you're busy, and you find traditional schooling boring? What if I told you that you can learn a language in a fun way? Mucho gusto, soy la maestra Tina, soy de Colombia y hace 10 años que vivo en México. Me encantan los idiomas, conocer diferentes culturas y compartir la mía. I'm Tina, nice to meet you. I'm from Colombia and I've been living in Mexico for 10 years. I love languages and foreign cultures. I'd love to learn about your culture. And in exchange, I'll take you about both of mine. But what I love the most is laughing and having a good time. And you'll see that in my classes. I've been teaching languages for 4 years. I'm open-minded, fun, patient, and I don't judge. I speak English, some French, and I started learning Japanese. Enchanté, je m'appelle Tina. Je suis de Colombie et j'habite au Mexique depuis 10 ans. J'aime les langues, apprendre à connaître différentes cultures, rire, bien sûr, et d'avoir l'opportunité de partager la culture de mes deux pays, le Mexique et la Colombie. Je parle anglais, un peu français. In my classes, I focus mostly on conversations, but I also spice it up with songs, videos, and games. My students are very important to me. I care about them, and we usually develop a very friendly relationship. I invite you to see for yourself and book a lesson with me. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And remember, even the longest path starts with just one small step. Are you ready to start yours?